Hey, what's going on, you guys? If you're watching this video at the time that I upload it, I just want to first say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's, and I wish you nothing but the best for 2020. Now, if you've seen my past videos, then you know that I talk a lot about affiliate marketing and I explain how you can use it to start making money online. But if you're brand new to the idea of affiliate marketing, or maybe you're just getting started out, what I want to talk about is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. And that's by having a business plan. Having an insider's guide that will basically guide you through all the lingo, the ins and outs, and basically the whole business model of affiliate marketing is probably the best way to get started because you know what to look for and you know what your goal is. Now, obviously, you can get started with affiliate marketing for free, but if you don't have a sense of direction or any guidance, it's easy to get lost or stuck. So, what I want to talk about in this video is an ebook called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Now, if you want to get access to this book, this is a paid offer, but what I want to talk about is all the other bonuses that you're going to get when you purchase this ebook. You're going to get access to a 15-day business builder challenge, and you're also going to get one-on-one personal coaching from a business plan advisor. Now, this is somebody who's going to help guide you in the right direction and give you some resources to help you become successful with your online business. Now, you're also going to get access to a private Facebook group with over 18,000 students in it. Now, this is an offer provided by Legendary Marketer. So maybe you might have heard about this company or maybe you haven't, but this is an awesome company that teaches you how to start and grow your own online business. So let me just ask you something. How much do you think you would pay for something like this? $50? $30? $20? I mean, just access to the 15-day business builder challenge alone is easily worth $100. But if you want to get access to this ebook and the other bonuses that I just mentioned, you're going to only pay $1.99. Just $2. That's it. This is the cheapest way to get started and get professional help to grow your own online business. Now, if you choose to purchase this ebook, you're going to have the option to be a part of the Legendary Marketers Club. Now, the Marketers Club has a lot to offer with live weekly training webinars, and they basically teach you how to become better at running Facebook ads, Google ads, how to write powerful ad copy. And I mean, for $30 a month, I would highly recommend it for anybody who is serious about getting started or growing their own online business. But if you just want to get access to the ebook, the 15-day business builder challenge, and the private Facebook group, for $2, it's all yours. Now, I'm going to leave the link where you can get access to the ebook in the description of this video. So if you're ready to get started, just click the link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically all I wanted to talk about in this video. Like I mentioned earlier, I just want to wish you guys nothing but the best for 2020 and nothing but success. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.